Audio is an emotional category. Signature is an emotional product. It's a fantastic sounding speaker. You embrace how it makes you feel once you put that in and you turn up your favorite track.
We took all the things that dealers said that they liked about our current product, all the things that they liked about competitive product, and brought all those together to create the most innovative, most versatile speaker in the market. And they sound unbelievable.
We took a step up in performance. We took a step up in design aesthetics. Everything's intentional because when you get that box, you open it up, we want you to be excited like, man, this thing's gonna sound great.
Not every install is the same. So the benefit of Signature is that you have one product offering that can serve the needs of all the different install methodologies. You can take the speaker out of the box as one unit, put it in the ceiling with a grill, and that's called the one-step install. You can put the cradle in the ceiling without the core of the speaker, cover that with a grill for what we call a dummy installation. You can put a back box over the cradle to prevent blown insulation from falling through the ceiling, to pass pressure testing, or you can pre-assemble the back box to the cradle with the speaker and put that in the ceiling as well. With the technology that we developed for Signature, it can be used for in-ceiling speakers, in-wall speakers. It can be installed with a tool or without a tool. It can be used as a one-step install or two-step install for pre-construction applications. For retrofit applications, it's got the option to use back boxes, pre-construction brackets, grills.
They're versatile because it allows the dealers to make these speakers fit their business of how they want to operate their model. That's unique in the space. No one else gives the dealers that flexibility.
Push lock is an exclusive technology that is used in Signature to make the installation very easy and secure.
You take the speaker, you place it over your head or in the wall, and you literally just push 4 buttons. There's a spring tension dog that is released when you press the button, and it holds the speaker in with over 2 pounds of holding force on each one of the individual dogs. It also gives you the ability to remove the insert of the speaker out of that without any tools as well. So if you installed a 3 series and your customer wants to take a step up in performance, you can come back and change out to a 5 series.
The other benefit of push lock is, say you have uneven sheetrock or popcorn ceilings where you need to be able to tighten down the speaker to the ceiling. You can take the push lock and cinch it down by an additional 6 millimeters.
So we have the ability to be completely toolless to fit whatever your install is, but it gives you the opportunity to be able to pull down the speaker a little bit more with the tool.
Everything that we've done in this product is based on feedback from dealers and from integrators. We heard in our existing product offering was that it was very difficult to uninstall. So with push lock, you simply take a screwdriver, you push it in, and you quarter turn it to engage it back into its home position.
Done, all you have to do.
All of the existing pre-construction brackets, back boxes, grills, all work with the new Signature product offering. It's the exact same cutout dimensions as all of our existing episode products as well.
That breadth of solutions means that you can install them however way you want.
Signature was designed based on a research that was done by a group called NRC, or the National Research Council.
Scientifically, 3 things create pleasing sound: wide dispersion, flat frequency response, and low distortion. At Episode, we design our speakers to make sure that all of those come through in every one of the choices that we make. From the baffle design to the basket, to the T-yokes on the back of the magnets. Make sure there's venting on the magnets. The surrounds are ribbed, so as you get full extension when you turn the track up, you don't get dimpling. Look at the elliptical tweeter pod. It's elliptical so that you don't get concentric circles of radiance coming out from the tweeter.
The tweeters are vented, which allows us to get a much wider dispersion.
Take a look at the materials themselves. As you step up from the 3 series, the 5 series, and 7 series, they change. The lighter and stiffer the cone material is, or the tweeter material is, the more active it can be in reproducing the sound without frequencies that weren't intended. When we say Episode is based on science, we are based on what's scientifically proven to create great sound. I think dealers are going to be super excited about this product because of the flexibility of the installation methods.
Nothing exists that gives the dealer the option to install them as 1-step or 2-step. The same install technology for both in-ceiling and in-wall.
With our push lock technology, our cam locked removal of the inserts of the speaker itself means endless flexibility for how you install it. Endless flexibility of what speakers you're able to put into your customer's home so you can upgrade easily because it's all sharing the same cradle. The response has been overwhelmingly positive. I think we're going to get a lot of looks from a lot of dealers like, wow, I thought I knew what Episode was about, but I'm not so sure anymore. I need to take another look at these guys.